Welcome to the heart of an automated mega factory, where millions of high-grade corn kernels are transformed every day. Today, we unfold the high-tech industrial journey of the world's favorite crunchy snack, commercial popcorn. Spanning over hundreds of thousands of square feet, this processing facility operates continuously to meet global demand. Dozens of synchronized processing lines utilize cutting-edge technology to handle tons of raw materials seamlessly. The entire process begins far out in agricultural fields, where specialized combine harvesters reap vast corn crops. Massive transport trucks arrive at the facility's receiving bay, dumping thousands of pounds of raw corn kernels. The golden kernels pass over high-frequency vibrating screens to remove stalks, stones, and field debris instantly. Industrial vacuum systems pull away dust and light particles before the kernels enter the primary storage silos. Technicians pull random samples from each incoming batch to test moisture levels, ensuring optimal popping potential. Kernels flow through deep cleaning channels, utilizing purified pressurized water streams to eliminate impurities. The washed corn enters massive cylindrical gas-fired tumbling dryers to lower humidity down to exactly 14%. This specific moisture content is critical, creating the internal steam pressure necessary for perfect expansion. The dried kernels travel upward via high-capacity vertical bucket elevators into secondary conditioning tanks. Advanced optical sorting machines utilize high-speed cameras to inspect every individual kernel passing through. Pneumatic air ejectors blast away discoloration, cracked shells, or malformed grains in milliseconds. Only pristine, structurally flawless popping corn is allowed to proceed toward the main manufacturing floor. The select kernels enter a massive industrial hot air popping chamber operating at over 400 degrees. Superheated air currents cause the moisture inside each kernel to turn to steam, rupturing the outer hulls. In a spectacular continuous explosion, the kernels turn inside out, expanding into fluffy white starch shapes. Alternative lines utilize massive continuous oil poppers, tumbling kernels in clean oil for distinct flavors. A massive snow-white river of freshly popped corn pours out of the chambers onto wide, stainless steel conveyors. The popped corn passes under a series of gentle tumbling sizers to filter out unpopped kernels or small fragments. The perfect pieces are routed into gigantic rotating stainless steel drums for the automated seasoning stage. Precision spray nozzles inject fine mists of liquid butter, vegetable oils, or sweet liquefied sugarcane. Electrostatic powder dispensers distribute ultra-fine salt, cheese blends, or specialized savory spices evenly. The seasoned popcorn undergoes visual inspection as it glides along vibrating sanitary conveyor belts. Laser monitoring arrays measure the color density and seasoning distribution across the moving product bed. Automated moisture sensors ensure the snack remains perfectly crisp, avoiding any dampness from liquid toppings. X-ray inspection systems scan the product flow to ensure absolutely no foreign particles contaminate the batch. The finished popcorn climbs enclosed sanitary conveyors, feeding into the high-capacity packaging towers above. Computer-controlled multi-head weighers drop exact pre-measured portions into vertical filling chutes below. Automated vertical form fill seal machines shape plastic film into bags, dropping popcorn in at high speeds. Nitrogen gas flush systems inject inert gas into each bag right before heat sealing, preserving maximum freshness. The sealed bags pass across inline dynamic check weighers, rejecting any bag that falls outside weight limits. Mechanical sorting arms direct the approved bags into high-speed automatic case packing machines smoothly. Corrugated cardboard shipping boxes are automatically taped, labeled, and barcoded for inventory tracking. Robotic stacking arms arrange the finished boxes onto heavy wooden pallets with flawless geometric precision. Automated stretch wrap machines spin clear plastic film tightly around the loaded pallets for transport stability. Forklifts transport the massive pallets into expansive, temperature-controlled distribution warehouses for loading. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.